welcome back to my channel. It's ElleKosGlam. Let's do some shopping today. This is a new video for me. I'm gonna make a new series, what I bought versus how I style it. I want to take you through all the deals that I find, but first we have to get something to eat. I'm going to one of my favorite restaurants. It's Summer House at Disney Springs. And I ate all my food, so I can't show a picture of it, but you get the idea. If it's my favorite here in Orlando, Florida, you know it's good. So if you want to see another vlog of this particular restaurant, I can show you the food. I love the yes on the back, and it has such a California vibe. The service is excellent. Let's head over to Home Goods because I want to do some shopping. And I just started my beauty room, and I can do a room tour if you like. Comment below and let me know if you redecorated anything. Do you have somewhere where beauty takes place in your home? If not, you need to start. Okay, let's take a look at this pot right here. It's a vase. I can throw an olive tree in there. I have this vase from Restoration Hardware. Yes, I paid the $300 for it, but guess what? It's only $39 at Home Goods. This is another vase that I have from Home Goods, but the one that I have from Restoration Hardware is actually in my backyard. And it's full. It has a banana tree in it. So I just wanted to show you this quick deal from Home Goods. I love their outdoor decor. Here's a faux plant, and I have a black olive that's in mine. It's actually 8 feet tall, and I ordered it on Amazon. The link's below if you want to go ahead and purchase for yourself. So here's some vases and things. These books caught my attention. I actually have a real Chanel book, but these are faux for $34.99. And let's just head over to the lamps. I was looking for something really cute for my studio office where me and Mr. Traveler works, and there it is. It'll fit right there on our Restoration Hardware shelf. And here is the crystal lamp. It was $39.99 there, and I really love it. This particular shelf that I have in our office is from Restoration Hardware. I love Restoration Hardware. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you love it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm going to be doing more videos like this because I love to go shopping. I love to find a deal. I don't shop often, but when I do, I make sure I find a deal. So here is my lamp for my beauty room. It's missing a crystal, so they gave me a discount. And as you can see, it's a bell-shaped lamp. It's not the typical lamp that you normally see. It's a Nicole Miller lamp, and they only had one. I wish they had two. If you know where another one is in Orlando, please call me or comment below. It's $99. Here it is in my beauty room. As you can see, everything is put together. There's my vanity. I like a lot of lighting when I'm doing my makeup or if I'm doing some tutorials, and there's a picture of my vanity there. And I don't like the carpet that's in the house, so we'll be taking all that up soon. But here is the lamp that's in my beauty room, so I hope you enjoyed it. Let's look at some more plants. Let's just dig around. Let's go on a hunt. See what we can see here. Let me see what caught my attention. This actually caught my attention. This is a ceramic plant holder. It's for inside outside, and I love that chipped look. It's $29.99. It has some gold detail on it. It looks a little coastal with the design on it, and I really love the legs, the peg legs. So here it is in one of my bedrooms. I have 5. It's in one of my guest bedrooms, and I'm going to be restyling it. I just threw it in there for right now. I threw in another olive tree, but this one is more skinnier, and this is in my beauty room in the corner. So I bought 2 of these because it was such a good deal, and I really love that style. Let me tell you, when you go to Home Goods, make sure you go to the clearance. Go straight to the back, especially if you're on a budget. You see this red tag? they mark it down, and it's usually half off. If you have the patience to go through it and look and dig and see what you can find, I wish I would have picked this up. This is marble, and I should have picked it up. Let's see how much it is. It was $16.99. It's only $12. You can't beat that. It's perfect for a vanity, perfect for an office, or on a sink in the bathroom. This plaster ceramic statue is only $16.99, and it's upside down because there was a lot of people looking at me film, but I don't care because I've been doing this for almost 20 years, so it don't even bother me. So anyway, I bought about 3 of these rugs. You know what they look like, $9.99. You can't beat them. They're very long and they're very soft, and they dry really quick in the bathroom. I love a white rug because I love to clean it, especially after I have company. So this little Minnie Mouse eyeshadow palette caught my eye. The payoff is very good with the colors. I tested it and I was like, I need to have this. Living down the street from Disney, I love anything that's Disney. So here is the palette that I used on my face. This is what it looks like, and I did my makeup with it. So thumbs up if you love it. I can do a tutorial on it if you like. You can't beat it for $7.99. So here I am at the checkout line. I also have a tray. I have actually 2 trays, some moss, and some more things that I bought. And if you want to see that, I can show you. I'm having company very soon, so I'm going to be, putting out everything for that. So here I am ringing everything up. I'm all set. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this and you're feeling generous, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.